In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Slack to Linear issues. We'll set up an automation in Zapier so that whenever a new issue is created in Linear, a message can be sent to Slack automatically. This keeps your team informed without manual copy and paste. Start by opening your browser and going to zapier.com. If you're new to Zapier, make sure you're signed in so you can save your workflow. From the dashboard, choose Create, then pick Zaps to start building your automation. You'll begin by choosing a trigger, which is the event that kicks everything off. In the trigger search, type outgoing webhooks, so you see that option in case your organization uses it, but for this workflow, we'll use Linear. Now search for Linear and select it as your trigger app. For the trigger event, choose New Issue. This means every time a new issue is created in Linear, Zapier will catch it and move on to the Slack action. Zapier will prompt you to sign into your Linear account. Approve the connection and select the relevant workspace or team if asked. Next, configure the trigger by choosing any filters you need, such as a specific team, project, or issue state. Then run a test trigger. Zapier will pull a sample issue so you can see real fields like title, description, priority, and a link. If no sample appears, create a quick test issue in Linear and try the fetch again. With the trigger working, move to the action, search for Slack and select it as your action app. Pick the action event that matches how you want to notify your team, such as sending a channel message or a direct message. Now sign into your Slack workspace and authorize Zapier to post on your behalf. Configure the action by choosing the target channel or recipient, then compose the message. Map the Linear fields into your message so it stays informative. For example, include the issue title, description, priority, assignee, and a direct link to the issue. Consider adding tags like the team name or project to give helpful context. Use Slack formatting sparingly to keep the message readable and preview how it will look. Finally, test the action. Zapier will send a sample message to Slack using the Linear test data. Check the channel to confirm everything arrives as expected with the fields in the right places. If anything looks off, return to the mapping and adjust your selections, then test again. That's it. Your Linear to Slack connection is ready, ensuring new issues are surfaced to the right people at the right